Once upon a time, there was a young student warrior. One day, his master told him that if he has to become a good warrior, he has to first fight a battle with his fear. But the warrior was reluctant to fight with his fear and told it is very scary and unfriendly. But the master insisted that he has to do it and gave him instructions. The battle was set and the student warrior stood on one side and his fear stood on the other side. The warrior felt like he was very small in front of a very big fear which was on the other side. They both had their weapons. The young warrior roused himself and approached the fear and bowed down 3 times and asked, "Can I have permission to battle with you?" The fear said, "Thank you for showing me so much of respect by asking for permission." The warrior asked, "How do I defeat you?" The fear replied, "My weapons are that I talk fast and I get very close to your face. Then you become incapable to perceive anything and you get completely unnerved and you start doing whatever I say. If you don't listen to me and don't do whatever I say, then I have no power over you. You can listen to me, have respect for me, you can even be convinced by me, but if you don't do whatever I say, I have no power." In that way, the student warrior learned how to defeat fear. The moral of the story is, everyone experiences fear. Avoiding fear is like disrespecting it and creating enmity with fear, because of which fear will control emotions and actions. Rather than creating enmity by avoiding fear, it is better to accept fear, acknowledge it by showing respect and friendliness towards fear, so that by becoming conscious of fear, by feeling fear, one can become master of all the emotions. Now, powerful quotes about fear. If you start living in the moment, fear disappears. Do what scares you until it doesn't. No amount of anxiety makes any difference to anything that is going to happen. One who fears suffering is already suffering from what he fears. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. Love of God is the one essential thing. A true lover of God has nothing to fear, nothing to worry about. He is aware that the Divine Mother knows everything. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Often we think, I'll do it when I'm not so afraid, but in reality, it works the other way around. The doing it comes before the fear goes away. The only way to get rid of the fear of doing something is to go out and do it. Never say no, never say I cannot out of fear. You are infinite. All the power is within you. You can do anything. Be not afraid of anything. You will do marvelous work. The moment you fear, you are nobody. It is fear that is the great cause of misery in the world. It is fear that is the greatest of all superstitions. It is fearlessness that brings heaven even in a moment. Therefore, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Strength is life, weakness is death. Be a hero, always say, I have no fear. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Fear is death, fear is sin, fear is hell, fear is unrighteousness, fear is wrong life. All the negative thoughts and ideas that are in the world have proceeded from this evil spirit of fear. The fully matured man has no fear, no defense. He is psychologically completely open and vulnerable. Fear is destructive. Love is a creative energy. Don't move the way fear makes you to move. Move the way love makes you to move. Move the way joy makes you to move. Life begins where fear ends. When you love a person, all fear disappears, and when you are afraid, all love disappears. Just allow life to take you wherever it leads you, and don't be afraid. Fear is the only thing one should be afraid of, nothing else. Move, be courageous and daring. The greatest fear in the world is of the opinions of others, and the moment you are unafraid of the crowd, you are no longer a sheep, you become a lion. A great roar arises in your heart, the roar of freedom. By thinking, you will not overcome fear. You will overcome fear by taking action. There is no illusion greater than fear. Fear kills more dreams than failure ever will. Everything you want is on the other side of the fear. Being scared is part of being alive. Accept it and walk through it. Fears are nothing more than a state of mind. Fear doesn't stop death, it stops life. Fear is false evidence appearing real.